Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Another update on Bitcoin. Today we talk Bitcoin, guys. We're gonna show you what's happening on Bitcoin. We might give you also another short trade idea you want to watch for the lucky people that watching this channel. We're gonna give you short ideas how you can make ROI while this market is going to zero, because we believe this market is going in the next 12 months to collapse. Okay, now people don't like these videos, but this is the truth, man. That's what's going to happen. And really, subscribe to this channel, unfollow on all your moon boys that got you already cooked, man. And really, you're going to see in a couple of months how you actually grow your account, you know, and while all the other moon boys are losing everything. Now, look, this is Bitcoin. Okay, look, that's not good. Okay, this looks like another bear flag. Okay, what is a bear flag? You have the pole and you have a rising wedge. Okay, the last bear flag here, that was a major bear flag. It looks very similar to what's happening now. Okay, you had a dump on that was the liquidation event, okay, the 10th of October. You had a bounce, and the bounce, if you watch the chart and the markets, you know, religiously, like me, you know, the bounce topped out on the rate cut, okay, that was the rate cut, end of October FOMC meeting. That was the peak here, okay, that was the top of the flag, and actually the top of the right shoulder. Not a coincidence. As well here, the top of the left shoulder was the rate cuts of September. Okay, now, and you had a head and shoulders breakdown with a bear flag. Now, you have another bear flag, and look what's happening. Tomorrow, you have the FOMC on the 10th of December, man. What do you think is going to happen? Are you bullish or bearish? It doesn't matter. You need to be reactive, okay? Live bullish, live bearish. Okay, first of all, obviously, I'm bearish as F because I believe Bitcoin triggered the bear market. We're going to show you, going to keep you posted on what happened on the weekly chart. But really, that's forming a bear flag, man. You got to be careful. It's going to be a bear flag. Once you see this thing start breaking below 87 and stay below 87 and also clear that low, the 82, you can start shorting. And actually, you can start shorting in anticipation to it. But a reactive approach is better because once Bitcoin dump, they get cooked. The altcoins are getting smoked. Again, by the way, if you short, do yourself a favor, get yourself Bitunix account. It's the best exchange. We trade with we short on Bitunix. We show tutorials on Bitunix. Get yourself an account. It's absolutely for free, man. And you can trade from the US, Canada, Australia, no VPN, no KYC. The UK, no VPN, no KYC, no needed. And it's the cheapest fees, man. And you also get free USDT trading bonus, you know, once you started, man. Absolutely insane. Get yourself an account, link below, man, and watch the tutorial on how to short. We have a short tutorial for newbies on the description, man. Teach you how to short, man. Really, subscribe to this channel, unfollow all these clowns. We're gonna show you an example of a clown that, you know, they will get you cooked, man. It's a bear market, okay? It's a bear market now. You don't want to be bullish in a bear market. You want to be bullish once Bitcoin forming a bottom. At the moment, there is no signs of a bottom for Bitcoin, so you don't want to be bullish altcoin when Bitcoin is not forming a bottom, okay? Now, this is a bear flag. There is a high probability you can get another smack in the face here, okay? Bitcoin can get another one like these babies, okay? Don't be in the camp of the moon boys telling you it's not gonna dump anymore. It's already oversold. Bro, forget about oversold. And there is no such thing oversold in a bear market. They can collapse, just like there is no such thing overbought in a bear market. In a bull market, Bitcoin always in the extreme. Remember, in the bull market, it's going up, then it's not pulling back and up more. It's not pulling back, up, you know. Here now it's a bear market. So remember, Bitcoin is an extreme beast, and it's doing that, and then it's gonna have a short-term bounces, and then more down and more down. Or at some point you're gonna get a big one, but still you're gonna get after that more down. Remember, this is a bear market. Okay, let's keep you posted on the big picture as well, okay? Smash the like, guys, subscribe, cook the bell, click on the bell. We're gonna keep you posted this bear market, this always, also in the bull market, you know, in the bear market rallies, everything. We're gonna keep you posted. Now look on the weekly, man. Look at the weekly, what's happening. Look on the weekly, we got a hanging man candle here on the weekly chart. Pathetic bounce, extremely pathetic bounce after it crashed 36%. It crashed 36% the Bitcoin, and it only managed to produce in 2 weeks a healthy bounce of like 14%. You know what it means? That's weakness. That's bearish. No one is buying this rubbish. It's going down, my friend. Now look, the 50-week MA, the guiding light of the channel. We told you it broke below the 50-week. 4 weeks ago, we told you it triggered the bear market. That's it. And we are right. We are right. At the moment, we are still on point. We are right. This is bearish, man. It's going to continue down as long as it's below the 50-week. As long as it's below the 50-week, sir, remember, it's bearish. What it means bearish? Bearish, downward trend prevail. Downward trend prevail. Don't try to nail a bottom. All these people calling for bottoms before there is an actual bottom, they're gonna get cooked. They've been calling for bottom for the last month or two, and they're gonna keep getting cooked. Now let's look on the stochastic here. Stochastic RSI. Guys, do me a favor, smash the like. Really, if we get a lot of likes, we're gonna give you more updates, more short ideas, everything. If we don't get likes, you know, we're really, you know, we're busy. We're busy making ROI now on shorting. We're busy people. Okay, now look, this is the weekly stochastic here. You can see it crossed. If you look on the bottom of the screen, it crossed up, yeah, but it's not crossing above the 20. All right, just like you had here a cross here. That was a nice bounce, but still it didn't trend. Here it's in the low, and it didn't even cross above the 20, the blue box. So that's bearish. That's bearish, man. That's bearish. Remember, you have a bear flag, you have a breakdown of the 50-week, you have low, very bearish momentum, no momentum for Bitcoin. That's bearish, sir. That's bearish, sir. That's very, very bearish. Okay, now what we think is going to happen, we'll give you our 2 cents. We think it's going to these levels, man. That's, you know, Bitcoin is like moving between support and resistance. We're probably going to these levels, and then we'll see. And then we'll see, man, if we get some kind of a bottom formation, just like you had here, like a double bottom, a textbook double bottom or something like that. You know, Bitcoin likes to do this double bottom. If you get this double bottom, all right, you're going to get a rally. You're going to get a bear market rally. And then we'll see. Maybe it will create a head and shoulders here. All right? But if, that's a big if it cannot form a bottom there, look down below. You're going lower. It doesn't matter. The bear market don't care about the moon boys. Bear market is a bear market. It's going down, okay? It's going to go down to the point it wants to go, okay? And then it will bounce from the point it wants to bounce. So what you want to do, you want to follow the chart. Okay, now, stop with the rant. I'm going to give you a trade alert. Now, by the way, remember, it broke the upward, the bull market uptrend. It's cooked, man. It's cooked. It is cooked. Cooked, man. Cooked. Well done steak, okay? It's a well done steak. You don't want to eat it. You don't eat a well done steak. You eat it raw, all right? You eat it raw. You eat it rare. You eat it raw, you know. You don't touch a well done, okay? It's cooked. It's cooked. It's going to choke you to death. You will have to drink a lot of water because of, you know, this nonsense. All right, now, again, it might have a bounce and retest as well. This is a perfect trend line here. You might probably at some point you're going to get a retest of this trend line, whether from here or whether from here. That's what we believe, maybe not. And then you're going to continue for the brutal bear. All right, so that's Bitcoin again. Remember, once the bear flag will start break, that's an amazing opportunity to short. I'll show you a short candidate. Watch this coin. Watch this coin. This one again. Not a financial advice. Okay, this is not a financial advice. Shorting is high risk. You need to know what you're doing. Okay, you need to know what you're doing. You need to know how to short. You need to know how to put stops, but and take profits. Okay, and never use leverage. By the way, never use leverage. Use Bitunix. Never use leverage. Watch the tutorial on how to short on the exchanges, and watch Hype. Hype looks like a good short to me. Why? Look at the top. Look at the top, man. Okay, obviously I've been talking about Hype in my membership. If you want to join our membership, man, link below. Join CM VIP for 4 months. Try for 4 months, man. Once you see what we're doing inside, if you want to pay lifetime, we're going to give you a deal. We're going to give you a nice deal. You can pay with crypto one time. Try 4 months, man. This is the best service in the world. There is nothing like that. Nothing. All these cult moon boys scheme pyramid nonsense that tell you to buy and hold, they're all wrecked and they're going to lose everything. We've been printing for the entire bull, and we're now printing in the bear, okay? We don't give an F about the market. It goes down, we short. It goes up, we long, okay? No moon boy hope you. Every trade comes with stops, targets. You got all the guidance, all the support you need. Check out VIP for 4 months, and we'll talk about it later. Now, look, This is hype, okay? Hype short. Obviously, we've been shorting it. I'm doing update all the time. I told my members, hey, it's doing a head and shoulders. It's doing a head and shoulders. It's doing a complex head and shoulders here, man. And it's now broke down below this level. We shorted it here, and we shorted it. We short more here, and we shorted more here, okay? This thing looks like it's going to zero, man, really. Now, why I like hype, it's a big cap, you know? It's a big cap, so it have a lot to lose. And it's not that volatile, you know? It's not like these scammy small caps that you short them, and then the exchanges manipulate them up, they create the wicks and stop you out. You know, this is a bigger coin to move. So again, it should dump, but again, no, not a financial advice. Again, if you short hype, make sure you put stops, you put take profits. That's amazing short candidate in my opinion to put on the radar. That looks like a very juicy short. It looks like Kaspa short back in the days, like last year, last summer, or before, even before that. That's a beautiful top formation. I believe it's going to zero. Watch it for a short candidate for the upcoming bear run. And yeah, man, that's it for me. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, get yourself Bitunix. Oh, let's look on the look. This is just something to pay attention to. Be careful of these people. This is just he called himself a trader, but he probably is a bot. I don't know, man. I don't know. All these clowns, man, they want to get wrecked. Okay, this is, look, 2025 looks like 2020. What 2020? What 2020, man? 2025 looks like 2025 going into 2026 looks like 2022, bro. You're off sync, man. You're off sync. Okay, unfollow these people. They're gonna make you broke. Look at that. This guy. Look at this guy. Altcoin market cap. Look at this. He's calling for an inverse head and shoulders. Let me show you what he's calling for. This clown. Okay, I think it's total. The chart is total 2, okay, or 3. It doesn't matter. Look at total 3. That's extremely bearish. There is nothing bullish in this chart. You have a double top. You have a triple top actually here. You can even say quadruple top on these levels, okay? It cannot break the 1.7 trillion, and it crashed, already lost around 600 billion, the altcoin market cap in the last month. This thing is going to zero, man. You have it looks like a leading diagonal, man. The last flash of the trend. This is not bullish. There is nothing bullish about the market. This is not the inverse head and shoulders. Look at this guy telling you this is the inverse head and shoulders. It's bullish. No, it's not. It's not bullish. It's doing a double top. It's going to zero, man. It broke below the 50. Where is my 50? It's broke below the 50, man. It's cooked. Altcoins are Ponzi's. Do not trust these people. In a bear market, these clowns are going to get wrecked. Remember, all these clowns, they are new to this market. They just started trading this cycle. They will get you cooked. They will take you to zero with them. Be careful. Do yourself a favor. Unsubscribe all moon boys. Unsubscribe all moon boys, clowns on X. Click the bell on my channel because we are the only realistic people out there, really. Our job is a blessing for the people out there, for the crypto traders. Follow us. Subscribe. Follow me on X as well, man. Follow me on X, Crypto Mindset 4, man. We're gonna keep you level-headed with our bearish posts and our realistic posts because, man, you gotta be following the trend, man. This is my X. Subscribe. See you in the next update, guys. By the way, if you wanna join VIP, go VIP with the link below, man. Get all my trade alerts, market updates, trading courses, anything you need. That's dirt cheap, man. For 4 months, dirt cheap, and you're gonna print. Telling you, man, my members are super happy, and also consider lifetime purchasing. If you want, drop me an email on my email below. See you in the next one. Cheers.